Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us take a look with the third module under Chapter 4, Process Costing of System Design. We have the learning goal, compute the cost per equivalent unit using weighted average method. Cost per equivalent unit. So compute and apply cost. We have beginning work in process inventory 400 units, materials 40% complete, conversion 20% complete. We have the following. Data. Production started during June 1, no, during June. Production completed during June. Started 6,000 units, completed 5,400. Cost added to production in June. Material cost, how much? It's added 118,000. Conversion cost, 81,000. So ending work in process. So we have what? Beginning work in process, ending work in process for both the accounts, that is materials and conversion. Okay. So materials 60%, conversion 30%. So our what was left in our work in process inventory is 900 units. Okay. So formula for computing the cost per equivalent unit. Cost per equivalent unit is actually equal to, take note of the formula, cost of beginning work in process inventory plus cost added during the period divided by equivalent units of production. Okay. So cost per equivalent unit. Here is the schedule with the cost and equivalent unit information. So we have a table, cost to be accounted for, work in process. Of course, we know this because we will count the inventory. We know this. Cost added in the assembly, we can compute this. A total cost, we can total it, and afterwards we can calculate the equivalent units. Okay. Here's the table. For example, looking at the materials column, we have what? A total work in process materials of 10,039. For materials, only 6,119. And for conversion, we have 3,920. So if you add these two, we have the total of 10,000. So for materials alone, we have 118,621. So adding this cost in the work in process starting, so we have what? A total of cost under the material, $124,740. Okay. That is our total cost for the materials. Okay. So if you will what? Use the formula, cost of beginning work in process plus cost added divided by equivalent units of production. You can do that. Okay. How many equivalent units produced? Okay. So for materials, we have what? Calculated 5,940 from the previous one. Okay, that is the number of units computed. For the conversion, we have 5,670 from the previous example. So therefore, we can compute. Compute and apply cost. Here is the schedule with the cost and equivalent unit information. Therefore, we can compute cost per equivalent unit. That is 124,740 divided by 5,940. That would be $21. For the conversion, 85,050 divided by 5,670. If you divide that, the answer is $15. That is our computed cost per equivalent unit. Okay. So that is how we computed it. Okay, take a look. Get your calculator and practice. Use these values. Okay. So cost per equivalent unit is equal to $21 plus $15 is equal to $36. Because we have to total this because materials plus labor plus overhead. Labor and overhead, that is conversion. So we have to add all of this. So the total is $36. Okay, and that would be the end of our third module of the chapter. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.